Well, that's where I slept last night. I wrapped around. It's still shaky as all like that, but I can only hope right now until I can figure it out. There we go. Hey everyone. Well, welcome back. Off to do another trip in the truck. Last time didn't go as planned, so we're gonna hope that this one does. Yeah. Here we go. Long drive ahead. Just filled up gas, so fingers crossed. Well, you know, I was hoping that this would go better. Yeah. So that's hanging on the ground. That's snapped off right there. So what I'm thinking, I got a bike chain, like security chain, and maybe if I cut the rubber off of it and wrap it around just to hold it up until I get to an auto parts store. I have no idea if it's gonna work though. All right, so what I got here is I got, fuck phone. What I got here is I got the rubber band, or the, oh my God, I can't talk, bungee cord wrapped around the hanger itself, up there holding that on so it doesn't bounce off. And then I got a wood cutting wire on that, and I mean, I'll see if that works for now, just to get to the store and try to figure it out. Change of plans. I cut the rubber off of my bike lock. I'm gonna finish cutting off this little piece, maybe break off that plastic and rub that around, wrap that around. My hands are freezing, it's cold. And we'll try to get that to work until I can get to, I think there's a Napa. Problem is I'm on the highway, so it kind of freaks me out going that fast with just that little chain on there. So we'll see if this works. It's loud, but let's hope it just gets me to, I think Napa's the closest one. Am I jinxed? Well, I got a hanger on it, like wrapped around there. We're gonna hope that it works. The exhaust is coming out here, which is good because I got a wrap up there somewhere. It's gonna be louder, I can already tell, but hopefully it'll get us where we're going and stay there until I get the right pipe. So after all that, I couldn't get to the campground that I was going to. So I'm at Walmart. I did call. They usually don't let people stay overnight unless it's a semi, but they're gonna let me stay. It's pretty late. It's been pretty crazy and not in a good way. Yeah, I still haven't got the whole muffler figured out yet, but I think I found a part for it. But like I said, I'm not even close to home. I still have more work to do, hours and hours away. These camping trips have not been the best. They're more like work camping trips though, because I'm going out for work and then camping out. But every time I try to do that, something seems to go wrong. So, but I'm not really running a heater on and off with a Mr. Buddy heater just to take the chill out. But I got my 0-degree quilt here. I think I'll be okay. It's pretty sketchy out here. Donuts, people fucking screaming and stuff out in the parking lot, but it is what it is. What do you expect? It's a Walmart, right? So I'm gonna try to get some sleep. Yeah, we'll see. All right, see ya. Just wait. See if dipshit comes back. My bald ass head. It's been ripping around the parking lot for the past like 20 minutes. For a place that's really strict on not allowing overnight parking, they pretty sure don't give a crap about anything else. I turn the camera on, he stops. Maybe I should just leave the camera on all night, and then I can maybe get some sleep. At least to turn the heater back on, warm it up a bit. What do we got here for? Where'd he go? There you are. Was at 0? Cool. So we got plenty of time for the CO. He's back. All night. All night long. He'll go away. And then he comes back. He goes away. And then he comes back. It's the same piece of crap. Be a normal person. We're in the middle of fucking nowhere. Go in the backcountry and do that. No, you go to the Walmart parking lot and do it. Wait, he might be leaving. It seems like it's going away. Okay. Should I get my hopes up? Should I try to go back to bed now? Or should I not? So last trip, car accident. This trip, muffler. Can't have a parking or campsite. And then I rush mouth here. And then Walmart, because I gotta figure out a place to sleep. And these people are insane. Insane. And stupid. And I just want to go to bed. And he's back. Should have sprung for the hotel, huh? It's like 1:30 in the morning, but it's cold. Like 7 degrees outside. The 0 degree quilt is working amazingly though. I love it. Love it. But I did crack the heat on, take the chill out of here, then I'll turn it off again and go back to bed. It quieted down a bit, which I'm thankful for. At least get a few hours of sleep tonight. And then figure it out. Well, it's about 5 a.m. I'm gonna warm it up in here and start packing up. They asked me to leave right away in the morning, but days like this, I love this thing. Block out all the light here, and then it helped too because it's got Bluetooth right here. So put this over your ears. It helped tune out some of that stuff out there.
I'm gonna let it warm up in here.
I was gonna warm my truck up right away and then get out of here, but I second guess that. Go in Walmart, pick up an energy drink, go to the bathroom, throw it in my trash, and then I'll warm it up. It's freezing. It's like 14 degrees right now. Fair enough. I don't get enough views, but that's a matter, I guess. Unless all my views are not in the States. Don't make me think this much in the morning, okay? Oh, that's where I slept last night. People out here are insane too. I'm not gonna say where I'm at exactly. Maybe someone can figure it out, but I mean, they're flying around, ripping around the whole parking lot in the middle of the night. Now, I'm not gonna be a snitch. Call the cops, because whatever. I mean, they could be doing a lot worse. And that's what people don't understand, is they really could be doing a lot worse. Maybe they waited till the parking lot was empty and then they were doing little burnouts and stuff. I'd rather see them do that than get anything worse. But I'm gonna get in my truck and warm it up and head to work.